Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you very much. God bless you. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. All the products I'm using, all the names of the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. Blend, 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 blend. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. Next, I'm using a concealer to contour my nose. I'm not contouring my cheek and my forehead today. It's only the nose I'm contouring. Contouring the nose. Blending the concealer so that there won't be any harsh line. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlight. Pressed powder to set the highlights. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set the highlights and bake as well. Sorry guys, the light is going up and down. I'm using a natural light pencil, a natural light, so the light is going up and down. Just bear with me guys. This natural light I'm using. That is why the light is like this. Next, I'm using a bronzer, CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer, to bronze my cheek and do a little contour on the cheek and the forehead. A little contour on the cheek and the forehead. Bronze it up, bronze it up. Next, I'm cleaning up the nose contour to define it more. Define the nose contour to snatch it more. Next is brows. Brow time. Using a brow pencil, baby's brow pencil, and number 3 for my brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up the brows and to define it more. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base on my eyelids as well. Concealer as eyeshadow base. Next is eyes. First, I'm using a brown eyeshadow shade as my transition color for my crease. All over my crease, brown shade. Next, I'm using this golden bronzy gold. Sorry guys, I'm not good with names of color. For my eyelid, all over my eyelid. I'm adding this highlighter from ZK Cosmetics. The sparkling does some, I've forgotten the name. The name will be listed down in the description box below. I'm just adding it so that, what should I say? Adding it to brighten the eye more. Brighten it, is that the right one? Guys, please, I don't know, I'm tired. Please. Sorry, I'm not tired. Don't mind me. Next, I'm using a matte lip stain. I'm using a matte lip stain to line my eyes and my lower lash line. A red matte lip stain. That's what I'm using to line my eyes and my lower lash line. A red matte lip stain as highlighter for the eyes. Next, I'm using NYX Milk Zobo pencil for my waterline. It's white and red for the Christmas. Next is lashes after mascara. Lashes. Lash. Next, I'm using a powder puff to blend the face, to smoothen the face, blend everything together. Next is blush time. I'm using this blush palette from Para Makeup to blush up the shade. Next is highlighter. Highlight the face. To highlight the face. Next is face plate to set the makeup. Next is lips. I'm using this liquid kiss proof liquid matte lip stain for my lips. A matte lip stain for my lips. So guys, please don't forget to show me love, subscribe to my channel, support me. Thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you for showing me love. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you very much. God bless. conceal. Merry Christmas and Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye. See you in my next video.